I'm going to be showing you how to schedule an appointment in Google Calendar. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So all you need to do is open any browser that you want, and once you've opened it, you just need to go to Google Calendar. Just press it in your browser and wait for it to load. And right there, the first link is the Google Calendar link. Just go ahead and open it. And now all you need to do is make sure you're all logged in. After you've done it, just look at the top left where you can see this option right here that says create. Just tap here and now you have options like event, task, and finally you have appointment schedule. Since we're trying to schedule an appointment, just go ahead and tap here. Make sure you write down the title of your appointment and also choose the appointment duration. If it's only going to last for 45 minutes, then choose 45 minutes. If it's longer than that, you can choose however you want it. If you want it to repeat weekly, you can also do that. But if you don't want it to repeat, you can also change that data. Just select the date you want, the time, which country's time you would like, and once you've done it, just tap on next right there. Make sure you write down a description, select how and where to meet. You can choose Google Meet, in person, phone call, completely up to you, and tap on save. So now as you can see, you have successfully scheduled an appointment right there. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.